This is a circle. It rolls around and around. Here are some examples of circles. It is like a ball. It is like the sun. It is like an orange. This is a rectangle. It is like a book. It is like a door. It is like a building. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides. It is like a watermelon slice. It is like a hat. It is like an ice cream cone. This is the square. It has 4 sides. They are all the same. It is like a present. It is like a cracker. It is like a window. This is the pentagon. It has 5 sides. It is like a house. It is like a circus tent. It is like a carousel. This is the hexagon. It has 6 sides. It is like a honeycomb. It is like a snowflake. It is like a nut.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on my video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on my video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on my video. Bye bye.